Hello YouTube, welcome to another video of the Ancheer electric bike. So I've had quite a couple of questions, and one of the questions I received recently was about the dimensions of the bike. So today I have a tape measure. I'll do my best to take some measurements on the bike. That way you can see exactly what to know exactly what to expect when you get the bike. So far I have been enjoying my bike. I mostly use it in the pure electric mode and without paddling. So I just go ahead, I turn it on. I haven't charged it for quite a while. I just ride, then I store it indoors. That's low assist, medium assist, high assist, and if you go back to mid to low and one more time, then you can use the throttle, which is right here. You twist it and the bike will take off. I can't even touch it. The bike will take off right away. I weigh about 220 pounds and this bike has no problem pulling me uphill at a very comfortable rate of speed. All right, so we'll start with the dimensions. Let me pull out the tape. Kind of tricky. Okay, yeah, it was locked. So the first dimension we will do, and this is totally stock. I've not made any adjustments. It's just the saddle height, which I have moved around a little bit. So from the ground to the top of the seat post, or where the seat post goes on the bike, it should be about I would say 29 inches. About 29 inches. All right. For the handlebar, you can adjust it using these rings. I think you can take them off or add some more to make it taller or shorter. But mine just came stock and I tightened up the bolt right here, and that's how I'm using it. So from the ground, we'll try to tilt this a little bit, follow the lean of the bike. From the ground up there is about 36 inches, about 3 feet. I don't know if that will change. Let me see if I get the bike upright. That makes, yep, about 3 feet. About 3 feet. And the bike is standing upright right now. All right, put it back on the kickstand. What other dimension do I have? Let's do from the steering post to the seat post. So we have it from there. That's about 11.5 inches. 11 inches actually, 23 inches. So almost 2 feet. And then we'll put the saddle at the maximum height. See how high we can take it. See, that's how short it is. Actually, we can do the saddle. See how long the seat post is. And it's just about 8 inches. About 8 inches. Okay. And that's where you have the maximum height to insert. That's the max. So if you do the maximum insertion height, you actually have just barely 5 inches of height from the saddle. So we go ahead, return that in there. See if I can get this done with one hand. Right there. Tighten it up. Okay, let's see how many inches we have from the ground at the maximum insertion height, which if you look closely you can see right there. So straight from the ground, touching the ground, we have 37 inches. That's how tall the bike is. 37. I think we could also do one hub to the next hub. So you see the length of the bike. It's kind of hard. It wants to turn that way, but we'll see. Try to do the best we can. So I pulled it out. Somewhere there. That's about the front, middle of the front hub. 42 inches. About 42 inches. Disc brake. I think that's all what I have. So we'll take it here for a quick spin. Sorry, I have a cold. Kickstand up. And I have everything good to go, so I just have to twist my throttle, and here we go. Yep. It's very touchy. All right, if you want any specific dimension, don't hesitate to let me know. Of course, this is the version with the 26-inch rims. You can see the tire size right there. Both rims are the same size. It came with a reflector. I did add that. All right, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know. Comment below.